Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on another set of epoxy channel coins for another channel called No Jackpot, No Problem. This is what they wanted on theirs. It's Belle, Ollie, and Kim. Because I don't know how well you can see it. Because you know, all of our fur babies on most of our channels play a big part. You know, they're our family. And then Kim is another person who scratches tickets on No Jackpot, No Problem. They are such an awesome team, awesome channel. If you haven't, go over and check that channel out. So as you see, I printed them. I'm going to let them set for 24 hours before I cut them out. We have the coin mold. He ordered a set of 8. I already have the clear mixed up. That's the boring part. And we are going to do the background of the coin. It almost looks baby blue with a shimmer, but it's called Brilliant Blue. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some epoxy in here and get this started. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I appreciate it. Alright, so let's mix some of this blue here. So tell you what, these Dixie cups are your best friend. Shout out to Rosebud Scratcher for those because she found a bunch of them and sent them to me. Just take a scoop with our popsicle stick and put it in there. Just a little more. It's this one's called mica powder, pigment powder, whatever you want to call it, but it's a pretty blue. Let's get this all mixed up. Like I said before, make sure you always scrape your sides of any materials you are mixing together, because you really want it to all just adhere to each other. The epoxy I use is 1-to-1 ratio, so you have your resin in one container and your hardener in another. So you measure them out. You want the same measurement on both, and then you mix them together. It takes a while. You gotta mix it for, I mix mine, I try to, for a good 10 minutes. Then I let it sit to get some of the bubbles to pop out on its own. But look at this color. Isn't that color beautiful? So pretty. So we're gonna mix this up, and this will be the background color. And then tomorrow, because we want these to set, then I'll cut the stickers out and set them on there and get them centered in. And then we'll put some clear over them. This should be enough. If not, I can make some more. Alright, let's go. Make sure you guys can see everything. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. I am actually going to be starting my first diamond painting. I don't know if I could say who it's from. I guess I didn't ask that. But I'm super excited. It's a small one, but I cannot wait to try it. It's so pretty. Alright, here we go. So we're going to just pour a little. This is just the background color. This color is really pretty. It's really going to make the logo pop. He has a coin that has No Jackpot, No Problem, and FL Scratch on the other side. But Kim, I think Kim is his cousin. I could be wrong. You know, she plays a big part in the channel, and so do the fur babies. So you got to incorporate them too, you know. That you do. My fur babies are always in the room when I'm making videos or going live with this channel, my other channel. They are always there. I'm going to get all that out of there. Make sure it covers the whole bottom. This is a very pretty blue. It reminds me of the sky, if that makes any sense. Make sure that's all covered. And just set that. Grab a paper towel here. Wipe the stick off, and then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and just put it in my hand and pop the bubbles. It's kind of cool how it works. See if I can get you guys in here so you can see it. See if I can get you guys right, just right, so you guys can see when I put the alcohol ink on there how it looks. You know, see it's got a few little bubbles. but the whole bottom area is covered. So I just take some regular rubbing alcohol. This one is 70%. Just put it in my hands and do this, and it helps pop the bubbles. So now with the clear, it doesn't work that good. With the clear layer, any clear layer, I use a heat gun. But that looks really good. It's a beautiful color. Alright guys, so we just gotta let this sit for 24 hours. And then we'll cut the stickers out, get them on there, and get some clear on them. Okay, so these have sat for 24 hours. I cut all the little stickers out that say Belle, Ollie, and Kim. These are absolutely freaking adorable, you guys. These are going to be such a nice bonus added to the No Jackpot, No Problem channel. I don't know how well if you can see that blue. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. I think that color really makes that logo pop. So let's go on and get you guys in, show you how I do this. So remember, when you print your stickers on any sticker printing machine or printer, everybody has their own method on how they do stuff. But when I print my stickers out, I let the paper set for 24 hours before I cut anything out, before I put it on anything. That way this ink on the actual sticker paper, photo paper, or paper has time to dry, all right? So let's go on and get this clear on these. I think these are just adorable. I think these are going to turn out so cool. I already did the boring part, mixed all the clear. So let's get this in here so we can get these stickers sealed up. So we're going to seal them in with some clear epoxy, and then I will have to sit here for a good 15-20 minutes using the resin heat gun to pop any bubbles that may pop up or don't pop on their own, just because that's what I like to do. I want to make sure it looks good and clear without bubbles in it. Now, once in a while, yes, you will get some little bubbles and stuff like that. That is normal. And as usual, the snore box is in the background snoring. These turned out so cool looking. They all have turned out. Sorry, y'all. My allergies have been horrible. They've all turned out really nice. Bad Bass Scratchings, channel coins, Sabrina Indiana Journey, my clear ones. Like I said, I will be making more for my channel for a giveaway, but once I'm out of my actual coins, I will be making those and using those instead of placing another boss order. Don't get me wrong, I love my channel coins, but it's expensive. It's a lot of money. Just make sure we top these off. Alright, I gotta put a little more clear in here. I'm also working on another coaster set for the Scratcher channel for a giveaway, the Game of Life coaster set. So I got to finish that today. And I am going to be working on my first diamond painting, you guys. I'm super excited about it because I haven't done one yet. It was a gift from somebody. Like I said, I don't know if I could say who, but I thank them very much. I'm super excited to try it. This stuff makes a mess, y'all. Straight up. A mess. Okay, that's full enough because we don't want to overfill them because then that creates a lot of sanding. But they are to their max. Now this is going to be a little noisy, but I'm going to take the resin heat gun. Like I said, you can get this on Amazon, eBay, wherever for like $10, $15. And we're just going to help pop the bubbles. And that's really all I can do right now. Like I said, for about 15-20 minutes, I'm going to be sitting here, and every minute or 2 minutes, I'll just take that and I'll go over it to pop any bubbles that need to be popped and go from there. But I think these turned out amazing, you guys. I love the blue. It really makes the sticker pop. All right, and then after that, they got to sit for 24 hours, and then we'll pop them out and see how they look. Okay, you guys, so this stuff has sat for probably 2 days. We have No Jackpot, No Problems coins. And then I was actually working on a domino set too. This is something I made for a giveaway on the other channel. But they're kind of cool because I was just using, let's see, let me get some different ones in here. I was just using leftover epoxy. That's all I was doing. You see the different colors in there? I don't know how well you guys can see it. So this is a whole set, and I colored in the dots with the light blue. But they have like green, purple. They almost look like the galaxy. It's the best way for me to describe it. Each one is different. None of them are the same. So these are for a giveaway. So I'm going to move these over here. And this is what everybody's been waiting to see. These are, look at the shine on those. There's a set of 8, and they say Belle, Ollie, and Kim, because they are also a big part of No Jackpot, No Problems channel. I'm sure Kim is going to love these. Hello, Kim, and No Jackpot, No Problems. So let's go. Let's pop these suckers out and see how they turned out. I love the blue. I think the blue, I'm sorry, y'all. Lately, my allergies have been on fire. My nose, my throat, like, it's terrible. All right, let's go. All right, let's see. See how that one turned out? Isn't that beautiful? Make sure you guys can see. Isn't that pretty? Look at the blue. I know my fingers are in the way. Look at the blue, you guys. And the shine. They look like glass. And that is the back side. So this is it. There is a set of 8 of them. Let me get you guys in here so you guys can see these. And the dominoes a little better. And if you're new here and you like what you see, go subscribe, like, comment, share. It does not cost a thing. Turn on that notification bell. I post random shorts through whenever. I do cooking. I do epoxy. I do vinyl, candles. I'm actually getting ready to start my first diamond art piece, so I might go live doing that. I've never done one before. It was gifted to me. And thank you. It's a small one, but I want to try it out and see how I like it. But yeah, just let me get you guys in here so you can see a little better. Adjust this a little bit. See? Look at these in the light. Aren't they cool looking? Look at that. Awesome. And then here are the dominoes to give you a better look up close. And that's the back. The back is just like a tealish green. Yep. So there's all the dominoes. You see, I had to peel all the little pieces off, and then his coins. I hope you really like your coins. No Jackpot, No Problem, and Kim, and Belle, and Ollie. I hope you guys enjoy these. They need to just set for a couple days, and then I will get them shipped out to you. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. And thank you, everybody, for all the orders. So if you're interested in getting a set of 8 made, you can email me at princesssketcher@yahoo.com, and we can go from there. Take care, guys. Bye.